Hello friend, this question is from the test series number 11 from the subject of network. Topic name is transient steady state analysis. In the question we have one RC circuit in which we have a current source of 10 ampere and there is one switch which is going to close at t is equal to 0. The question has asked that's what is the voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 0 plus. We need to find the voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 0 plus. So in the transient circuit, to get the values at t is equal to 0 first of all we observe the circuit at t is equal to 0 minus. 0 minus is the time before the switch has been closed. So at 0 minus is the time before the switch has been closed. So if the switch is open, so my capacitor is basically is don't have any connection with the supply. So if my capacitor don't have any connection with the supply, so there is no way my capacitor can get any energy from the source. So it is basically uncharged. If the capacitor is fully uncharged, so energy stored in the capacitor is also zero and its voltage will also be zero, because the effective circuit is something like that. The capacitor has virtually received nothing from the supply. So if it receives nothing from the supply, so there is no way it can be charged. So capacitor voltage across my capacitor will remains zero. So at t is equal to 0 minus my voltage across the capacitor is 0, and we know that capacitor capacitor does not allow the sudden change of voltage. So or I can say that capacitor opposes the sudden change of voltage. If capacitor opposes the sudden change of voltage, so when at t is equal to 0 plus, you going to turn the switch off, or I can say you're going to make the connection between 2 ohm and the supply. So you have made the connection, that's fine, but my capacitor is not going to make accept this connection, because it's going to act as a short circuit wire, because voltage across the capacitor is 0 at t is equal to 0 minus. So still it's going to attain its old polarity, because capacitor opposes the sudden change of voltage. So just after the closing the switch, the capacitor is going to attain its old polarity, which is 0 volt. So still my VC is going to 0. So at t is equal to 0 plus also voltage drop across the capacitor is remains 0. So my correct answer is option 0 volt, which is option A. Option A is my answer. Thank you.